Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Limitless Lauren. So today I'm bringing you another packing video. And the first packing video I did was the KonMari versus rolling method, which is my most popular, most viewed video on my channel. So I will link that below so you can go check it out, check out the results. But today I'm going to be doing packing cubes versus rolling, because somebody on the last video told me that packing cubes saved a lot of space. So I went on Amazon and did a little checking and came across these packing cubes. And it's the brand Vecken. And there are so many different packing cubes on Amazon, but these ones I felt were the best deal. I got them for $16.99 for 6 pieces, but there are just so many depending on how many you need, and the colors differ in price. So I got this cute turquoise colored ones. And so you can unzip this, and then all of the ones are inside. So it shows little pictures on the front. So this one has a bra, underwear, socks. So it gives you examples of what you can put in the bag. The next one, long sleeve, short sleeve, and shorts. And then there's this one, which I believe is a shoe bag. And there is this big bag, and this one I think is for your dirty laundry. After you've worn it, you can just put it in this bag and store it, or you can use it for a ton of other stuff as well. Another one of the shirt and short size bags. And then this is the biggest bag, and it shows jackets, vests, bulky pants to go in this one. So it comes with this little instruction sheet, and so it says all the dimensions of each bag. Yeah, so that one was a shoe bag and the other one was a laundry bag. So then you get an extra large bag, a large bag, medium bag, a small bag. It also gives you examples on how to fold your clothes to put them in the cubes. It gives you all kinds of folding, but I think I'm going to go off of these examples and fold them up how they show to put in the cubes, and then I will just do the plain rolling method and see which one saves more space. And I'm going to be packing for myself, Taylor, and Liam. We are all going to Vegas for a wedding, and we are staying for 4 nights and roughly 4 days. So I already have all of the outfits out and ready to be put in here. So let's get started. So I have 2 different suitcases. I have this big one and then a smaller one. I'm going to see if I can fit everything into this one, but if I need to, I'll go with this one. So the first method I'm going to try out is just straight rolling. Okay, so this is all of our clothes. We have this whole section that is clear. It actually didn't take as much space as I thought. Then I put some swimsuits, underwear, hat, stuff in that pocket. There's still nothing in that pocket, but we still have a lot of room. Liam's stuff is just like in a tiny little pile. His clothes are so small. But it's gonna be interesting to see if the packing cubes take up more space or not. So I'm not gonna follow the guidelines on here. I'm just gonna do what I think is best. So for the smallest one, what it says for the bra, underwear, socks, I'm gonna see if all of Liam's clothes will fit in here because his clothes are so small. I'm gonna go off my little guidelines here. So for shorts, it says to just fold in this little flap like that to make it so it's a straight rectangle, and then you just fold it in and fold it in. That's what it says to do. For shirts, it says to fold it in like this, fold it in like this, to again make a rectangle. Fold it up, fold it, fold it. So I feel like it's pretty similar to the KonMari method. Okay, so that's all Liam's clothes. Let's see if it will close. Okay, and all Liam's clothes fit in the smallest one. Okay, so here are all of our bottoms. I feel like it'll definitely zip close, but I'm gonna see if I do rolling, if it'll save any more space than this. Okay, rolling method is better than using their method. I have still space to fit more things in here, and it'll still close. So rolling method is probably best than using their method. Okay, I was able to fit 5 more items in here, some shirts, a swimming suit. So let's see if it'll close. It took a little bit of effort, but I got it closed. And that's the rest of the stuff. So I could even fit more in here if I needed to. Whoa. Look how much room there is still. Whoa. Holy cow. I could fit so much stuff in here. I probably could even fit all the stuff in the small suitcase if I wanted to. Well, people, you saw it here. The packing cubes are the way to go for packing. I am just mind blown. I thought using the rolling method alone would save much more space. Because after I got it all in there, I still had a lot of space left. So I'm like, okay, well, looking at the packing cubes, they're bulky. I feel like they're gonna take up a lot more room. No, you can fit so much into these cubes. It doesn't look like it when you're looking at it because it looks kind of flat and not much can fit in there, but whoa, that's just crazy to me. I am really happy I bought these. If they hold up well, I'll find out after the trip, but these are my new go-to travel item for sure. I only use the small, the medium, and the extra large bag. I still have an empty large bag. The shoe bag I will fill up, and then the laundry bag. So, wow. And I feel like I got so much clothes into each one because I used the rolling method. I didn't use the folding method that they suggested on their little packet. And again, the brand that I got is the Veken, V-E-K-E-N, travel packing cube set. I'll link it below if you are interested, and they had several different colors. So we are ready to go on our trip with our packing cubes. Thank you for taking the time to pack with me and see which method works better. Go check out my other packing video if you are interested in KonMari versus rolling. I won't spoil it for you. But thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye! But wait.
Before you go, I'll miss you so please subscribe to my channel and like this video.